That's good. Oh, look what I found. Look at this. Laying in the yard. Look at that.
What is it? Oh, just
Look at that. I gotta do something with that.
Huh.
Tree frog. Is it really? Now, okay, which way is this going to go? We'd like for it to be able to look at it and see it as a whole painting, not oblong or something. So, which way is your lines going to go? You know yet?
I was thinking I was coming from like down. This is the bottom.
This is bottom. You going that way?
That's how I saw it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine right up here then. Woo-wee.